Welcome to Hydroponics Lab. Let us discuss about Hydroponics Training Level 2 with 6 modules. In Level 2 with Module 7, you will learn Hydroponic Nutrient Solution and its properties. What is Hydroponic Nutrient Solution? As you can see, A and B. What are the nutrients required to grow the plant? Macronutrients and their properties. Micronutrients and their properties. Adding nutrient solution to the water and how to manage it. The main source of this Hydroponics Level 2 you can find in hydroponicslab.in. In that Hydroponics Training online course. In Module 8, you will learn types of hydroponic system and its function. So, what is hydroponic system? Types of hydroponic systems. How hydroponic system works practically. How to manage the hydroponic systems. Each hydroponic system pros and cons. So, all the things you will learn Module 8. In Module 9, you will learn hydroponic nutrient deficiency and how to manage. So, what is hydroponic nutrient deficiency? Macro and micronutrient deficiency. How to manage nutrient deficiency. Important factor of nutrient deficiency. Nutrient deficiency and pH correlation. So, Module 9 with all the training details you can find in hydroponicslab.in. In Module 10, you will learn how to make your own hydroponic system that completely learned with step-by-step process. So, how to build your own hydroponic system? Making use of locally available materials. How to make inexpensive hydroponic system. You no need to buy online. You can make by yourself with inexpensive. Tools required to build hydroponic system. Learn step-by-step practically complete process. So, hydroponic training, the source links you will find in hydroponicslab.in in that hydroponics training online course. In Module 11, you will learn CAD drawings of the complete hydroponic system and materials required to build hydroponic system. So, in that you will learn hydroponic system, stand and material drawings. List of material required to build the system. How to make net pot holes on pipes. How to assemble the hydroponic system by taking all the materials. Learn complete above process step by step practically. So, the training source link you will find in hydroponicslab.in. In Module 12, you will learn how to grow in hydroponic system step by step practical guide. So, after building your own hydroponic system, so you will learn how to grow in that hydroponic system step by step in practical guide. In that, you will learn how to transplant plant to the hydroponic system. How plants grows in hydroponic system. Day 1 to till harvest. Complete step by step as explained clearly with all the instruction. EC and pH management in hydroponic system, that means how to manage EC and pH so while growing in hydroponic system. Hydroponic system dry run and dry route. How to do the dry run and dry route. So, complete hydroponics training source link you will find in hydroponicslab.in hydroponics training online course.